Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your account email and age to unlock security features. Once done, plug in or pair your FIDO2 security key to the computer. Make sure USB or NFC works. Open Roblox in a desktop browser, go to Settings, right arrow Security, and choose Add Security Key. This first action begins the registration handshake between your key and Roblox, which is required because Roblox accepts only hardware. Once you click Add Security Key, enter a clear name to identify the device later. The browser will prompt a registration challenge. When prompted, touch or tap the keys sensor or use the paired NFC action. This proves possession. The key generates a unique credential tied to your account. The browser and Roblox verify it during the handshake. After successful verification, the site displays a confirmation and the key appears listed under Security, which ensures it's ready for future logins. To complete login, enter your password and when prompted, select Security Key as the second factor. Touch or tap the key to authenticate. Make sure to register a backup key so you aren't locked out. If you lose a key, remove it from security settings immediately. If the key fails, try clearing browser USB credentials, using a different browser or device, or re-registering the key. These steps fix common handshake or driver issues and restore access quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.